it's especially interesting with the timing, as you mentioned, right? There is this 21% withholding tax. There was like 6 years of litigation between Airbnb and the Italian authorities in Agenzia Entrate. And ultimately, after 6 years, as of last year, January 2024, they really implemented this new decree. So it's super new. And
Yeah.
there's almost this misconception, and I've been in forums just reading about all of this, where individuals are like, well, okay, they withheld my 21%, booking.com or Airbnb. What does that mean? Does that mean they actually paid it? If they paid it, do I still have to file taxes?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the answer is yes. Like, you still have to file taxes regardless.
Wow.
So,
Wow. And is that okay? So that brings up another good question. You know, they're withholding, they're paying. How would that work? Just in a nutshell. I don't want to get into the like weeds on this, but give me that in a nutshell. Like, let's say, you know, Pete and I have had rentals, we still do. And let's say we go through booking.com and it's time due and we input everything and we send it to you. What does that look like? There's also the hotel tax, which is what in Santa Dominica, it's $1.50 a night per person with a bunch of caveats. So how does all of that work? Is this just for income tax or does it cover the hotel tax?
yeah, this is for personal income tax,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to walk you through the exact process as a property owner, meaning like I haven't done it as a property owner myself,
Yeah.
but now this 21% withholding tax applies to that income tax derived from rental income
Okay.
specifically,
Okay.
right?
Oh, that's fabulous. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, I think this is going to clarify a whole lot of things for people. You got that income tax, you got the withholding, you got
yeah.
the hotel tax, and I think it's just going to make it super clear. And I think a lot of people with this chin number, they freaked out because they're like, I cannot navigate this
Mm.
tax system, the Italian tax system. You know, like you mentioned, Nick Mehta. I mean, he's brilliant on Italian taxes, but most of us are like, ooh, we don't want to look over there.